H. Sheikh Nuruddin and Sons, HSNDS, providing shelter around the globe. HSNDS was established 3 decades ago in 1973 and have since become one of the largest 10 manufacturers and humanitarian relief products providers in the region. We have a team of 700 highly skilled professionals with diverse multicultural backgrounds from different countries in the world, offering world-class services to our prestigious clientele. HSNDS has facilities to fully manage and deliver emergency stockpiles by road, sea and air shipments. HSNDS specializes in production and stockpile of tents, plastic sheeting, mosquito nets, emergency response, non-food items and supplies needed by world's leading relief aid agencies including the United Nations. With head office in Dubai, we have regional offices in Kenya, Switzerland and Pakistan, factories in China, India and Pakistan, and warehouses located at Holland, Kenya, China, Dubai, India and Pakistan. Our main manufacturing facility is located in Lahore, Pakistan, with easy access from Firozpur Road, which is located in the industrial area Kana Kacha Road. This plant has plastic sheeting unit, canvas tarpaulin unit, twisting and weaving unit, dyeing unit, quality control lab, stitching unit, packing and loading department, tent accessories, boiler and power generation unit. We deal in all the relief products with main focus on manufacturing of relief tents of all kind and tarpaulins. Plastic sheeting, canvas tarpaulin unit. Manufacturing of plastic involves various processes. It starts with the mixing of plastic granules. The mixing machine initiates the process by mixing the granules and leaving it as a mixture. This mixture is then shifted to extruding machine, which is next stage of manufacturing process, and leaves the granule mixture melted and converted into plastic yarn. This plastic yarn is then converted onto looms to weave it into plastic fabric. This fabric is transferred onto the lamination machine and laminated from both sides and is sandwiched and converted into sandwich laminated sheet or plastic cloth. Different rolls of the cloth are laminated and then welded or joined into one sheet by welding machine. The size of the sheets are different as per requirement. Hemming welding machine makes reinforcements on all sides of sheets, making them more durable. The eyelets machine places the eyelets on the sheets. Eyelets are the rings that are placed at the corner of the sheets as per requirement. The main use of eyelets is to tie the sheets from ropes. The ropes are passed from these eyelets. The ready sheets are then folded, sealed and pressed and then sent for packing. Sheets or rolls are then packed into bags and the plastic sheets or rolls are ready to go. Tent manufacturing unit is comprised of various sub-processes that are weaving and twisting, dyeing, stitching and accessories. The weaving unit itself is comprised of various sub-processes that is initiated with the receiving of yarn, which is then checked for quality and shifted to doubling machines to double the thread. Winding of yarn is done in phase 1. Yarn is too thin to be used straight away, and it is therefore doubled or tripled by adding more threads to maintain the quality and to deliver up to the mark products. In phase 2 of the doubling or thread process, yarn is twisted on looms and doubled or tripled yarn is twisted for further use and packing is done for the thread. The warping machine carries out creeling and thread is converted from cones to drums. Beaming machine is used to shift yarn from drums, also called tools to beams. The cloth is then weaved into fabric or cloth on looms by the weaving machines. Quality Control Lab checks the manufactured cloth for quality, checking for width, dirt or oil spots and contamination, etc. Finally, the packing and folding of manufactured canvas cloth is done, and the material is ready to go for dyeing. After weaving, the second main process of facility is dyeing plant, whose main function is to dye the fabric and make it waterproof and rot-proof, giving a long life to tents. The cloth that has been weaved is washed properly to make it dirt-free and to remove all kinds of impurities from the fabric and make it ready for dyeing process. The fabric is dyed into different colors as per requirement and use for the tent. This is mainly dependent on client's requirement and the type of the tent. The proofing machine makes the cloth waterproof and rot-proof as per standards. The cloth is then dried onto the drying machine. The prepared cloth is then rolled to be sent to stitching department for further use in tent. After dyeing, the cloth is sent in the form of rolls to stitching unit, which is then straightened and prepared for cutting and marking, which is carried out with the help of stencil. The cut bit and pieces are then joined to make tent, and at this stage, tents start getting their shape. Each tent is checked for quality and is fitted individually to check all its angles and the entire fabric. After the tent is checked for quality, it is sent to the packing department. The packing is done along with house-produced steel accessories and finally sent to the warehouse. Our tents and fabric structures pack down into incredibly compact space for efficient shipping and storage, enabling us to lower the transportation costs and save energy. HSNDS facilities are ISO 9001-2000 certified. Their products are developed for diverse conditions and climates and go through the most rigorous testing by an in-house quality control and testing lab. We transport our products by air, sea and road and serve the customers 24/7 to ensure the best and efficient services in the relief industry. Our products are delivered to the affected areas as per instructions from clients and serves the needful. At HSNDS, we value quality and embrace diversity. That in turn helps us better serve our global clientele. 8 Sheikh Nuruddin and Sons, HSNDS. providing shelter around the globe.